I'm David Truitt with Great Choice Audio Video. We are Oklahoma City's premier audio, video, and service company. For over 10 years, we have worked closely with our clients to transform countless commercial and residential spaces into experiences that for many are a place of dreams. For home theater design, automation, custom lighting, outdoor living, and more, we cover it all, and our team stands ready to turn your AV dreams into reality. We work with you as a reliable authorized dealer, providing consultation, design, and installation of high-quality equipment for many top-rated brands in home theater and automation. We offer service at a level that's simply unavailable from a big box store. That's because we are professionals who take great pride in our work, and we back it up by providing you unmatched service before, during, and after our work is done. So if you're wondering, how can we go to work for you? It's simple. The first step is to give us a call or go online to schedule your free consultation. Step 2 is us working together to identify your audio-video needs. And during the third and final step, we will draft up a plan to transform your space into an unmatched entertainment experience that you, your friends, and family will love for many years to come. Our commitment is to ensure that you are completely satisfied with the results of your newly transformed space. At Great Choice Audio Video, we transform your environment from bland to grand.